Former Chegutu West MP Dexter Nduna finally graduates after previous fake claim. The 17th of August, 2025, Vertical Bar Harare, by Dexter Nduna. Former Chegutu West legislator and ZANU PF Central Committee member Dexter Nduna has officially graduated with a Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of Zimbabwe, UZ, putting to rest a long-running controversy over his academic credentials. Nduna received his degree on Friday during the university's 44th graduation ceremony in Harare. His name appeared on the official roll, confirming that he had successfully completed the program after clearing outstanding courses. The development comes nearly a year after the UZ publicly refuted Nduna's earlier claims of graduating in 2024. At the time, a leaked university memo revealed that he had failed 3 courses: energy and mining law, labor law and language acquisition and intercultural communication literacy, Chinese language. Despite failing to meet requirements, Nduna had bought a graduation gown and attended the ceremony in September 2024. Though he was not seated with other law graduates, his actions sparked a wave of criticism, prompting him to apologize to President Emerson Mnangagwa and the public for misleading the nation. Nduna's subsequent appeal for exam remarking, in which he alleged political bias, was dismissed by the institution. He then re-enrolled and successfully completed the failed modules during the 2024-2025 academic year. His formal graduation this week has drawn mixed reactions, with supporters congratulating him on the achievement, while critics remain critical of last year's deception.